Your Nissan Qashqai key fob allows keyless entry, remote locking and unlocking, and push-button start. When the battery is low, you'll need to open it. First, locate the release button on the fob's edge or under the flip-out key, depending on your model year. Look for a small indentation or icon. Press this button firmly. While pressing the release button, gently pry the case open using a small flat tool like a screwdriver or key. Be careful not to damage the plastic casing. Once the case is split, you'll have access to the battery compartment. With the case open, carefully remove the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation with the positive side up. Ensure the rubber seal is intact to maintain splash resistance. Align the two halves of the key fob case and snap them back together, ensuring a snug fit. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming by holding lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds while inside the car, or consult your Nissan manual. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center to reduce e-waste.